Hi and welcome to Backyard Growing Essay. Today's episode 5 of the Backyard Grow Journey. In today's episode, I'm going to be moving the scavengers and be planting new seeds. Let's get to it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future videos of the series. So this week I want to do some rearrangements here because I want my brassicas to be this side because the sun is longer here and the chilies is gonna die down next month in winter anyways, and then I'm gonna trim it so they will be fine there where the brassicas are. So here they all, I want to move them, and the leeks what I planted also needs to go that side, but I'm first gonna move the brassicas. As you can see, it's around about 2 o'clock now and the sun is still here. So yeah, that's why I want to put them here because they get longer sun and I can always move them in this area also against the gate when the sun keeps moving. So I came now to the garden now to check how the plants is doing. I see my cabbage is eaten on, so I was looking now what is it, and there I found him. It's time for them to go because you can see destroyed this last night. I was just done now with the cabbages, and then I came now to check if there's more like aphids or anything on my other plants. And this is the day after the rain so much on Monday. It's Tuesday now, and so I check now here on my radish. There's quite a lot of aphids. I think I'm gonna get rid now of all of this and the top layer of that soil also, because you can see how the rain damaged them also already. So yeah, just show you all the aphids in this bucket. Look at all of them here on the side already. But even's on the plants. Oh, check here, all of this here. And it's the same on all of this and the other plants. So I'm just gonna pull them all out and get the top layer of soil gone also. Just look there, all on the soil. Okay, so I'm done with that now. But that's fine. I'm gonna anyways gonna start new seeds. So I'll just plant again some new radish in here. I'm going to be planting the radish now. So I'm just gonna make like lines down and then across, and I'm gonna be planting them. I'm just gonna be planting one in each of the squares. So I put 2 seeds in each square rather for better germination rate. Before I do the rest of the seeds, planting the new seeds, I just want to show you I was going to harvest now the beans and then pull the trees out, but I see there is new flowers forming. So that's mean there's gonna be more beans. I'm guessing that the rain did help from yesterday. So I'm gonna leave that in now, and yeah, let's go plant the other seeds. The beetroot that I planted here did not do well with the transplanting, so what I'm going to do is now just plant the seeds. With beetroot you do want to soak it overnight or leave it for 24 hours in water, but since it's been raining like that and it's probably going to rain more this week, so the soil is going to stay wet quite long, so it's fine if I just plant them in. So I'm not going to worry about spacing them out, I'm just gonna plant them in a row, and then when time comes, once they germinate, I can always thin them out. This is red mustard, so I'm just going to be planting 6. And then lastly, I'm going to plant some broccoli. I'll plant 12 over here. I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. And to help the channel out, you can like this video, share, comment down below. You can send super thanks or becoming a member. I'd like to say thank you for watching. Backyard out.